I am the sneaky word fridge dinner thief. To watch you shake your head in disbelief. If it's something really nice, I would love to take it twice. It's me, the sneaky word fridge dinner thief. I love it when they sit around and talk about the day their fancy sandwich took a walk. It was rather nice to try, but I found it slightly dry. I prefer the boss's M&S pulled pork, because I am the sneaky word fridge dinner thief. To watch you shake your head in disbelief. If it's something really nice, then I am going to take it twice. I am the sneaky word fridge dinner thief. And just today I caught them reminiscing about the day that tasty yogurt went missing. And now they write their name on top as if that's going to make me stop. Why listen? Because I am the sneaky word fridge dinner thief. I love to watch you shake your head in disbelief. If it's something really nice, then I've already had it twice. I am the sneaky word fridge dinner thief.